Hey everyone, Abners Reviews here, and today we are about to check out these Dice Funko Pop protectors. Okay, so these are our Dice protectors right here. This just arrived today, so I believe these are for our normal sized Funko Pops. So you see the Dice branding right there, and these right here is for 2-pack Funko Pops like this one right here. We have reviewed this one previously. This is the Goku and Vegeta baseball Funko Pops. So if you want to check that out, click the link right here and on our video description. But for now, we are going to open these Dice protectors right here and see the difference in terms of size and quality when we put it on our Funko Pop figures right here. Okay, so there you go guys, with our Dice Funko Pop protectors. So I've included one right here for comparison so that we can see the difference between the 2-pack Funko Pop protector and the normal standard size Funko Pop protector from Dice right here. So thanks to Dice for sending us these Funko Pop protectors today. So these protectors really look good and they look really sturdy. I think they're going to last for a very long time. I hope you like our quick unboxing and review of these Dice Funko Pop protectors. Hope we have showcased today the quality from Dice protectors. For comments and inquiries, please put them down below. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload another one of our Funko Pop reviews right here, as well as our normal video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. So that's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.